You're seeing a Haas VF4SS CNC milling operation with RoboJob USA's Mill Assist Essential. It's equipped with a revolving unit and a turning shelf to allow for processing both Op10 and Op20 without having to batch your operation. The robot places the half-completed piece on the turning shelf. The robot then reorients, picks up the piece, and in doing so can now place it in the vise in the proper orientation. The programming is simple and easy in our Windows-based icon-driven program. To sequence your operation, just drag and drop the events. Companies are changing to machine tending robots because it gives them so many competitive advantages. To learn more about how RoboJob USA machine tending robots can help turn your CNC machine into your competitive advantage, call us at 866-952-9020 and then press 1. RoboJob USA, first in CNC automation.